I'm going to show you fake pet lovers.
Dancing bacon pancakes? Okay, you want to do bacon pancakes? Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes.
So, they think that this is cute. You can say these whispery bacon gives me life. Attention, so-called pet lovers. Bacon or abused pigs who live in sick factory farms and suffer birth to death. You might as well have some bird nuggets too. You might as well eat the parrot. So these fake animal lovers pretend to care about this bird while they're torturing chickens, and this one even mentions chicken tacos and has likes. Can you talk about hypocrites? Pet lovers. It stops at pets. Pure hypocrites. Look up a factory farm video like meat.org. They suffer birth to death. They're castrated, tail and ear docked, stuffed in tiny cruel cages, gestation crates before they are slaughtered. The egg industry is even worse, as well as the chicken industry. So here you go, some fake hypocrites. 1,143 mindless, worthless, fake animal lovers. Never trust a fake animal lover.
Bacon pancakes,
Teaching and promoting animal abuse.